again in the English class. Today we are going to start exercise of chapter number 3. Kids, in the last video we have discussed about the describing words. Another name of describing word is adjective. Yes, let's see the definition of adjective. Words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place or thing are called adjectives. They describe and tell us something more about the naming words or noun. Kids, you know very well what are nouns. Nouns are the name of a person, place, animal and thing. The word that describe us about the noun are called the adjectives. Adjectives are also called describing words. Kids, we have saw this in the last video also. Yes, let us revise again. Describing words tells us about the color, shape and size of nouns also. Kids, you can see that in the picture there is one short boy. Yes, short word is used to describe the boy. A fat lady. How the lady is? The lady is fat. Yes, so short and fat are the describing words. Describing words tell us about number of persons, animals, places or things. Kids, you can see very well. In the picture there are 3 boys and 2 frogs. So 3 and 2 are the describing words. It means 3 and 2 are the adjective. Kids, we have did this activity in the last video. I hope you all have did this activity in your notebook also. And this activity also I hope you have did this in your English notebook. Now kids, point to remember. One should not use too many adjectives in a sentence. It means you should use only one adjective in a sentence. You should not use more than one adjective in the sentence. Let's see the example. The brave, old, ugly, brown tiger. Yes, in the sentence we have used 4 adjectives. Brave, old, ugly and brown. So we cannot use more than one adjective in the sentence. Now let's do the exercise that is in your grammar textbook on page number 33. Underline the describing words in the following sentences. A. Those are cute puppies. How the puppies are cute? So underline on cute. B. He is a smart boy. Boy is smart. Yes. So smart word is used to describe the boy. So smart is a describing word. Underline on it. C. The cake is delicious. Delicious. Underline on it. D. This is a beautiful dress. Beautiful. E. She is wearing a short skirt. The skirt is short. Yes, very good. So underline on short. F. The ice cream is very tasty. Tasty is a describing word. So underline on it. G. They live in a small house. Small is a describing word. Underline on it. H. The squirrel has a furry tail. Furry is a describing word. So underline on it. This is a colorful butterfly. How the butterfly is? The butterfly is colorful. So colorful is a describing word for the butterfly. So underline on colorful. J. The giraffe has a long neck. Long is a describing word. So underline on it. Now the next exercise that is on page number 33. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives from the help box given. Now we will read the hints. Band, funny, white, long, flat, sharp, check, black, round, broad, bat, spiky. Revu has drawn a picture. It is described here. It has a dash body. You have to see the body of the joker. Yes. How is the body of the joker? Bent. It has dash legs. It has long legs and dash feet. Flat feet. It has a dash nose. Sharp nose. And dash eyes. How can we describe the eyes of the joker? Round. It is wearing a dash coat. What is the color of the coat? Black. Very good. So write black. And dash pants. Check. It has a dash mouth. It has a broad mouth with dash teeth. What is the color of the teeth? White. It has dash ears. It has bat-like ears and dash ear, spiky hair. It looks funny. Yes, these all are the words that we have used to describe the joker. Now the next exercise, that is on page number 3434. Circle the adjectives for the underlined nouns. A. It's a lovely day. So lovely is a describing word. Lovely is a adjective. Kids, before finding the adjective, you should know what are the nouns in the sentence. After that, you can find out the adjective very easily. B. The cruel king punished his servant. How the king is? The king is cruel. So circle on it. C. A rainbow has 7 colors. How many colors? 7. So circle on it. D. My father is very handsome. Father is handsome. So handsome is an adjective. So circle on has handsome. E. These are round tables. Tables are round. Circle on round. F. That is an empty basket. Basket is empty. Basket is a noun. An empty word is used to describe the noun. So circle on it. G. These sums are difficult. Difficult is a adjective. So circle on it. H. The coconut tree is very tall. Coconut tree is very tall. So tall word is used to describe the coconut tree. So circle on tall. Next exercise on page number 3434. Write a suitable adjective for the following nouns. Kids, you have to see the picture, and from the picture you have to describe the noun. A dash child. A cute child. B. Dash candy. Sweet candy. C. A dash bag. A red bag. You can see the color of the bag. D. A dash boy. A smart boy. E. A dash soldier. Brave soldier. Brave means strong. F. A dash girl. Happy girl. G. A dash bench. Bench is made up of wood. So you can say that a wooden bench. H. A dash hill. You can see that the hill is very high. A high hill. I. A dash cake. A delicious cake. Delicious means tasty. J. A dash lady. A tall lady. Very good. Now we will do another exercise, that is on page number 3535. Read these sentences and write the describing words and the nouns which they describe in the column given below. Kids, now in these sentences you have to find out the describing words and the naming words both. So let's start. A. Kolkata is a big city. So what is the describing word here? Big. And what is the noun? City. Yes, we have described the city. City is big. So big is a describing word and naming word is city. B. The milk is hot. Hot is a describing word. Milk is a naming word. C. The mangoes are fluffy. Fluffy is a describing word and what is the naming word? Mangoes. D. The party was a grand one. Kids, grand. Here in this sentence we are describing the party. So party will be naming word and the grand will be describing word. E. Now E. The knife is sharp. Kids, in this sentence we are talking about the knife. How is the knife is? The knife is sharp. So sharp is describing word and knife is naming word. Vasu was angry. Who was angry? Vasu. Vasu is a name of a person. So it is a naming word and what is a describing word? Angry. Now the next exercise. On page number 3535. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives from the help words given. What are the helping words? Red, tired, happy, sunny, little, soft. Now let's start. One dash day. One sunny day, my dash kitten jumped into mine. Little kitten jumped into my dash couch. How can we describe the couch? Couch is red. Yes, couch means sofa. And played with my toy. I like to watch him play and it made me feel dash. It made me feel happy. Soon he felt dash. Soon he felt tired. And I cried. Carried him to my dash bed. How can we describe the bed? We can describe the bed as soft. So let's read this again. One sunny day, my little kitten jumped into my red couch and played with my toy. I liked to watch him play and it made me feel happy. Soon he felt tired and I carried him to my soft bed. Soon he started snoring. Kids, now you have to do all these exercise in your grammar textbook. Bye bye kids.